Hey guys, Jose here, welcome to the channel. So this time I decided to install some LED lights to my Himiway bike. And so I have this LED lights. This is from a company called Minger. Now it's known by Govee. You guys can check them out. And they do strip lights for TVs, pretty much for inside your home. And I noticed they also have some for motorcycles. But what I like about this is that it has a USB port for power. So this e-bike also has a USB port, which is located right over here, right below the controller. By the way, this is the Escape by Himiway. I do have a full review on this bike just in case if you guys are interested. This is very, very fun to drive, very powerful and very comfortable. So I'm going to connect them to the USB, and then I'm going to turn on the bike, right? Oh, and there it is. The cool thing is, like, this controller can change everything, you know, from power to the lights, different colors, different patterns too. This also has a microphone right here, so you can control it with your voice, and it has different patterns. This is so awesome. I can't wait to install this. Alright, so now that I know that it does work, I wanted to install the controller, have it somewhere that is easy for me to reach, and I figured that it will go nicely right here. But at the same time, like, I don't want to glue it into this part just in case if I need to make some adjustments, right? So I think I'm going to use one of this cable management tapes. But yeah, this seems to be like a nice place. I just want to be very tight, as tight as possible, so I don't want to have any movement. There it is. Yeah, now here's a USB cable from the light, so I'm going to use this other cable management from the bike just to sort of blend it with the rest of the cables. There you go. Alright, so the next thing that I wanted to do is to run this strip through the body of the bike. So I'm thinking of putting it right here from the bottom, then running it all the way through the middle, and then I'm gonna go through this part behind, then all the way to the back pillar, and then all the way to the back seat, and then the rear rack. I think that's gonna be good enough. Alright, so before I continue, I want to make sure that it's very clean so everything works. And I'm using Lysol. You can use whatever you want, but this usually works pretty good. Plus it kills bacteria and viruses and stuff like that. So let me clean this bottom of the bike and pretty much everywhere where this strip is going to go to. Alright, so now it is time for me to peel off these double-sided tape. So I'm not going to peel off the whole thing just because, you know, it's going to go through different parts of the bike. I'm going to start by this section here. So I'm going to try to put it as much as I can in the middle. Oh, come on, stick to it. It's not sticking. Oh man, that sucks. Alright, so I did put some clear tape, as you guys can see, just to help the double-sided tape from the strip to just glue onto the frame, because it's not really sticking to it, even though I cleaned it. Alright, so it seems like I'm not going to use the whole strip. It's running all the way from the back through the rear rack, and it's stopping right here. So I have this extra that I'm not going to use, but it seems like the strip has some areas where I can cut it just in case if I don't need that extra. So I'm going to find that part in this section right here, so it's gonna make it cleaner, right? Alright, so I think it's going to be like right around here. Man, I don't want to mess this up. Oh, there it is. Wait, shit, I hope it still works. Yes, apparently it still does work, and it's working with the sound right now, as you guys can see. Look at this. Oh yeah, can make it different patterns too. So that's some sort of oh yeah, it changes with the music or sound, whatever works. All right. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this short video of this LED lights by Govee, and this it works very good with this bike. I mean, it is super easy to install. I mean, it took me about 15, less than 20 minutes to install the whole kit. It is also water resistant, so yeah, if for any reason your bike gets a little wet, don't worry about it. This is water resistant. And the whole kit, if you're interested in buying the whole kit, it sells for around $22 on Amazon. So I'm going to leave a link right here in the description. You guys can go ahead and order one. It also has an app, so you can download and control everything from your phone with an app. It's really cool kit. All right, so thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, well, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what do you guys think about this. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jolster out.